Well guys, this is Shane with DnSAdventures, and this is quite an announcement here. We got ourselves a piece of property. And on this piece of property, we have an RV. We do not have electricity to the RV yet, but we're hoping to get some this week. So we're just gonna go for a little hike in our woods. We own over 20 acres, I'll just say that, in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. Come along with us and we'll show you around. So yeah, this property is in black bear territory. So Deanna just realized she forgot the bear spray. So she's gonna go get the bear spray. The chances of one coming at us is very slim, but it's always good to have some reinforcements in case they do. Yeah, it's been a while since we recorded a video. I think last video that you've seen is probably the Smart View Recreation area, and I think that was like maybe 1 or 2 months ago. So definitely been slacking on the videos. That's why the videos haven't been coming out as much recently, is because we've been working on this property. So Deanna got the bear spray. We're all set now. Start hiking back here in the property. There are already a few existing trails already on the property, some of which we've already started cleaning out. I got a pole saw recently. I've been using that. We had to use the pole saw to clear up to get to the, just through the driveway, get the RV up to the driveway, which is, man, it's a long driveway, I'll tell you that much. And yeah, so this was already here, but this was much more closed in. It was obviously a ATV path at some point. Just had to do a lot of trimming to make it a little more walkable. Bringing my machete along with me, and Deanna brought the pruners to clean up a little bit more as we go along here. Like that guy right there. Gotta kind of fling some of these branches off as we go along. So we kind of took the pole saw through real quick last time, but we never picked up everything. Tried to pick up most of it, but yeah, well, we'll take you along with us, show you a little bit. Yeah, you might be wondering, so why'd you guys buy some property? And I'm not going to tell you the full explanation behind that because it's really long. But basically, at the beginning of this year, we weren't going to buy any property. We were probably thinking about 5 years from now or something like that. That was in our future. But then the virus happened, all the shutdowns started happening, and it kind of made us rethink our strategy and everything. And I won't go through the whole strategy, but this is what we ended up doing, and it's working out for us so far. Yeah, we also bought a house. That's another little surprise. It's a little dinky farmhouse, which is more than enough than what we need. Being used to 300 square feet, this is a little over 1,000 square feet. So use it as a home base while we're at the property as well. And needs a lot of remodeling, which is also another thing we've been doing. I've been debating whether or not to even include that in this channel, form another channel with remodeling stuff, or I have no idea yet. This is all just kind of throwing it together as we go here. So let us know if that's something you'd be interested in this channel. I know most people watch this for outdoorsy stuff, but we might turn this into like a DNS homestead sort of channel or something. Who knows? But another spoiler alert, we don't plan on staying here full time. We still plan on traveling, so we will still be adventuring. We'll still show you everything we wanted to show you out west coast that we never got to see this year because of the virus. So but yeah, we've noticed a lot of other full-time RVers buying some property as well. So we're not the only ones thinking this route, and this property is really an investment for the future as well. So not just a home base for now. One thing I can tell you that I am going to make a lot more videos of, review videos of different things that help us around the property as well. I'm going to have a review on the trimmer coming up, probably a review on the pole saw because that thing has been a lifesaver. Maybe not a review on this cheap machete that I found online on Amazon, but other things. It's a lot of work. Slowly making this open up again though. And there's like 300 or 400 feet of elevation gain we own that way as well. So eventually we'll get trails going around here so we can hike up on the top of Deanna Mountain, Shane Mountain, Blaze Mountain. We haven't named the mountain yet. It's probably already named, but we're gonna rename it. because it's our property now. So take that, world.
We can do whatever we want.
We can do whatever we want besides, yeah, I'll leave that up to you. All right, carry on. Deanna's heading up a trail we haven't been up yet. She's like, what are you talking about back there? Looks pretty overgrown to me though, so it looks like we'll have to...
A lot of vines.
Yeah. Might have to take that brush trimmer up through here if we can, clear it out a little bit. Quick story. I'm actually on antibiotics right now because I got bit by a couple of ticks that may have carried Lyme disease, so my spots started swelling up quite large where I got bit and got infected, so I had to get the antibiotics. Got something on my face. So now taking a little bit more cautious through here. I do need to buy some tick preventive spray as well, but I have not bought that yet. And this is a review of the United Cutlery something made in China machete. It's all work. I just told them I got a tick and they wondered why. Am I there yet? It's like I missed a lot.
Yeah.
Cut, change tire. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the announcement. We're gonna go head back to the house here soon and relax and eat some dinner. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.
All right, found the creek. We did buy this thing new. I think it was about $330 or something like that.